Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil John, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, babe.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's not to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, babe. Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. I swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, oh, just like a tattoo. off, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know.
Alright guys, so obviously I am finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Premium Lace Wig. Shout out you Premium Lace for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is there, but I don't have a name. This wig, the length is 24 inches. The color is natural color. It is a 13 by 4 HD lace wig. The hair texture is loose wave. The cap size is medium. It's Brazilian virgin hair. The density is 150% density. And it has 4C curly edge baby hair. Alright y'all, so with this unit, I have not experienced any shedding or tangling, but that is straight out of the packaging. So baby, you know what I be saying? Do with that what you want. Now, it came slightly pre-tweezed, but not a whole lot, and I just didn't. I think it did come pre-tweezed, but the baby hairs kind of like made it where you can't really see it. But it wasn't like super pre-tweezed in my opinion. The hair is a loose wave, but I decided to brush it out and curl it because it has those 4C edges, and I just feel like the wave effect does not match those type of edges. I prefer like a kinky curly or a kinky straight, any type of 4C hair I like with 4C edges, if that makes sense. So I brushed it out and curled it just to give it more of a natural look, like something that looks more like is not a wavy type thing, if that makes sense, y'all. That's Chrissy math, okay? Now, as far as this wig being big head friendly, I do feel like it is. I feel like this wig is medium to large head friendly. I do have an average cap size, like I have an average head, y'all. So do with that what you want to do with it. But if you do have a smaller head, I would suggest getting a smaller cap size because I do feel like this one is more geared towards big head friendly than not. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and length check, then please continue watching. Alright, so my con with this wig is the 4C edges with loose wave hair. Luckily, it was still relatively easy to style those edges or whatever. I just feel like the 4C edges just go better with a kinky texture or something like that. I like the 4C edges. I know some of you guys do not, Cynthia. I like the 4C edges. I just typically prefer them with kinky hair than not. So yeah, that's gonna be my one con. My pros is I love the hair. Like, despite the fact that I am not a 4C girly with loose wave hair, I like the hair and brushing it out and applying these curls and then slicking down these edges. I really like the hair. Like, I love the hair. It was super easy to curl. It was easy to style. It's super lightweight, even though it looks full. It is definitely 150% density. That's another thing I love about Premium Lace Wig, that they always gonna keep it a buck, okay? So it is definitely 150% density. And yeah, I like it. I love the hair. So yeah, those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend the unit. Like I said, you can still, if you don't like the 4C baby hairs, you can definitely straighten them out and, curl the hair, and it'll still give you a more of a natural effect. I love the hair in general. I think it is really, really pretty. Y'all can let me know what you think down below. Also, let me know what you think about 4C edges, and do you agree or disagree with the 4C edges thing? Let me know down below in the comments. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. All right, y'all. So once again, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Premium Lace Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, hit the subscribe button. It's not costing you not one bread cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Smith on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love-ups next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every styles and we